Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the changes and improvements in the main release channels of Windows 11 Insider Preview, version 22H2, build 22621.3958, and version 23H2 build 22631.3958. So, without further ado, let's begin. For nearby sharing to work, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be on. If they are off, and when you turn on nearby sharing, Windows will ask you to allow them to be turned on. You can now drag apps from the Pinned section of the menu and pin them to the taskbar. When the taskbar has keyboard focus, press Windows plus T, you can press a letter, and you will go to the app whose name starts with that letter. When you press a letter more than once, you will go to the next app whose name starts with that letter. Pressing a letter more than once only works if there are multiple pinned or open apps whose name starts with that letter. If you are using an uncombined taskbar, when you press a letter, you go to the window whose name starts with that letter. Also, when you press Home and End, the keyboard focus changes to the first and last items in the taskbar. The End Task option no longer shows a not responding dialog before it stops a task. In File Explorer, when you right-click a tab, you have the choice to duplicate it. There are some issues in File Explorer like, a memory leak occurs when you interact with archive folders. File Explorer stops responding when you browse within it. When you search from home for the first time, you might not get any results. The address bar drop-down menu might appear when you do not expect it. When you use the Save dialog to save a file to gallery, an error occurs. Because of this update, your file is saved to the Pictures library instead. The search box does not show the correct folder name when you are in Gallery. A blank area shows at the top of File Explorer. The back and forward mouse buttons do not work when you hover over the recommended files section of Home. Images flash when you view them in the gallery. Sometimes, spacing between the desktop icons might become very wide. In version 22H2, you cannot put calls on hold from Bluetooth peripherals. There are some known issues in this update like, after installing the Windows Security Update, you might see a BitLocker recovery screen upon starting up your device. This screen does not commonly appear after a Windows update. You are more likely to face this issue if you have the device encryption option enabled in Settings, under Privacy and Security. Because of this issue, you might be prompted to enter the recovery key from your Microsoft account to unlock your drive. Your device should proceed to start up normally from the BitLocker recovery screen once the recovery key has been entered. You can retrieve the recovery key by signing into the BitLocker recovery screen portal with your Microsoft account. There is point to note for users of Home and Pro editions of Windows 11. Version 20H2 will reach end of service on October 8, 2024. Until then, these editions will only receive security updates. They will not receive non-security preview updates. To continue receiving security and non-security updates after October 8, 2024, we recommend that you update to the latest version of Windows. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.